lovelies, so today I'm doing something that I am quite excited about because I don't think we have done one in like maybe a year? I don't know if I'm wrong with that. It might just seem like that long to me, but we are doing a Goddess Provisions unboxing, which is very, very fun. And yeah, it's been ages since we've done one of these, and I really, really loved the last one. I think these might become a more regular thing on here, so I'm excited for that. I believe what I have here is the December box. There's a little stringy boy sticking out here. So let me just hack this open and we'll get started. Ta-da! The inside of the box is so pretty. Okay, what have we got? Did I read somewhere that this is potentially a crystal themed box? I'm not sure, but I am seeing something crystally on top, so I feel like maybe I did read that. So the first thing that I can see right on top here is a crystal grid oracle cards pack, which is pretty cool. Allow the crystal grid oracle cards to give you messages from the universal source energy. This special guidance from our crystal allies reveals hidden messages, provides helpful insights, and offers suggested steps from moving forward, giving you both clarity and confidence. Well, that's interesting. I'll have to delve into that later and have a look and see what that's all about, but this is what it looks like. There's the front there, and the back. So I am intrigued. Next up, there's a little, ooh, a little bottle of some sort. Now, let me just get it out of the bubble wrap. Ooh, so this is presumably by a brand called Skin Owl. It's Body Plus Rose Quartz inspired Illuminator for body and face. Oh, that's exciting. For all skin types, drench your skin in a radiant rose ivory glow. Soften imperfections with a blend of pure plant oils. Carry the soft feminine energy of rose quartz to promote feelings of peace. And it says to apply 5 to 7 drops onto freshly washed skin and can be used in place of a makeup primer. I've seen a lot of people use oils as makeup primers, and it always seems to work really well, and I'm very interested in it, but because I am just so prone to breakouts and spots and stuff, I'm just shaking this up because I can see all the shimmer has kind of settled from being in the box. Ooh, now it's real pretty. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I'm just so prone to breakouts that I'm kind of always afraid to put stuff like that on my face, but it does look real cute. Let me sort of like put a little drippity drop on my hand if I can. Oh, it's so pretty in the bottle. So yeah, I think just if you give this a good shake before you use it, it kind of infuses everything back together. So, drip, drip. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it with this lighting. So, despite how shimmery the little drop looked, it actually isn't that shimmery on the skin. Like, I was expecting it to be like almost metallic, which it's not. So I don't know, but it definitely feels really nice, and I don't know, maybe if I mixed it up a bit more I would get a bit more shimmer, but I definitely am intrigued on using this as a primer, because as I say, people's makeup all seems to look really good when they use things like this as primers. I'm just scared to like blow up my face. Okay, next up, this little box here is calling to me. It says Goddess Provisions on it right here, and it is, ooh, one of these boyos. Okay, so I don't know if you've seen these before. I know I have. And it's like a crystal like massager, I suppose. I think you're supposed to use it on your face. Maybe you're supposed to use this with the oil. I'm not sure. But I think I usually see people like using it on their face, and I think it's meant to like improve circulation and stuff. I don't know if it being crystal has any particular benefits, you know, opposed to another material or not. It might say in our little leaflet at the end, but yeah, you just kind of use it to like massage. It like rolls. There's 2 different sized ones, and I've actually been wanting one of these, so that is very handy. Thank you very much for that. Oh, next up is a little disc of some sort, which is really pretty. What do you call this? Is it like a mandala? Is that the right word? I am so sorry if that's wrong. This seems to be from a website called zenandmeow.com, which is very cute, and the design of this is lovely. I wonder if this is maybe for like setting your crystal on to like charge it like in the moon or the sun. I'm not super sure, but that is maybe like my best guess for what this is for. If not, then it's just something really pretty, but yeah, that's what I'm guessing. You put like maybe a little crystal on it. It's really cute. I'm definitely probably going to put this in my room with some of my crystals. Very happy. So there is a little bar of chocolate here, and this is fine and raw chocolate with, how do you say that, lucuma? L-U-C-U-M-A, and vanilla. Lucuma and vanilla. I don't know what lucuma is. And the ingredients are organic cacao bean, organic coconut sugar, organic cacao butter, organic ground lucuma, and organic whole ground vanilla. So it's all very, very natural. If I'm not mistaken, that is vegan. It's 100% organic, ethically sourced, no refined sugar, and plant-based. Yeah, bean to bar. Okay, should we have a little nibble of this? I wonder what this will be like, because typically very dark chocolate is a little bitter for my tastes, but oh, it smells nice though. Oh, it has tiny little squares. Hold on, let me just show you the bar because it's cute. I don't want it to melt on me. Let's go fast. Saying that's freezing up here. Look how pretty. Okay, back in the wrapper. Let me just get a little square. You know, that's not too bad. It is like a bit bitter as dark chocolate tends to be, but it wasn't horrible. Like I've had some really bitter stuff before, so that's quite nice. It's a little bit dry, but overall it is decent. And if you're someone that has to stick to like diets that are free from, you know, milk, free from certain allergens, free from refined sugars, and you still really want chocolate, I feel like this would be a pretty good alternative. If you're used to eating like, you know, full milky packed with like refined sugar chocolate, like I am, then, you know, it's not as like creamy and sweet. But definitely for something that's like so organic and pure and, you know, like, you know, just good in that way, I think it's actually pretty good. So I am happy enough with that. Next up is a cute little bath bomb. You guys know I love bath bombs. Ooh, this is that the brand or the name? So it says Life Flower Plant Derived Wellness. Handcrafted consciously with organic, ethically sourced ingredients. And this is the Rose Quartz Goddess Bath Bomb, and it has all of the ingredients on here. And that is all very natural. I know literally what everything on this list is. There's no weird, like, funny chemical names or anything, so that is good. And it has a cleansed and charged rose quartz in it. That is lovely, and I'm actually out of bath bombs, so I will have to use this soon because it sounds delightful. Can we give it a sniff? I feel like I'm smelling lavender. Is there lavender in here? There is not lavender. Why can I smell lavender? There is witch hazel, grapefruit essential oil, organic sage, hibiscus, and now rose quartz. Maybe I'm getting like a mixture of the hibiscus and the sage and it's smelling like lavender to me for some reason. I don't know, but it smells quite nice anyway, so I'm definitely excited to use this. Oh, the inside of the box is so cute. It's full of like little words and stuff, and it says like self-love, positive vibes, love over fear, forgive, breathe, you're perfect. It's all just, I'm gonna cry. It's all just like really positive, nice, you know, like that's the kind of energy that we're bringing into 2019. Okay, here we go. Gosh, it's raining. Oh, and it gives you the value of everything in the box as well, which is quite cool. So the monthly mantra of this box is, I'm tapped into the divine wisdom of the crystal beings. And in it we got a rose quartz facial roller. Rose quartz promotes love, joy, and peace. Roll this over your face to increase circulation, improve lymphatic drainage, and relax your muscles into a sweet smile. That's so cute. And that has a $35 value. Oh, and there's a little link. They've got like a little link there to their website that shows you how to use it, which is a really nice touch. Life Flower Care Bath Bomb. Soak in unconditional love with this gorgeous bath bomb that's made with grapefruit essential oil, herbs of hibiscus and sage, and topped with a rose quartz crystal. That has a $9 value. And you can find them on Instagram under Life Flower Care. And it's given a little coupon code with this, so if you get this box, then, you know, you would have a little coupon code to spend with them on lifeflowercare.com, which is very cute. Next up is the Skin Owl Rose Quartz Illuminator. Apply this blend of nourishing plant oils scented with vanilla onto your skin for a radiant rose quartz glow and to enhance feelings of peace and self-love. That has a $30 value. And once again, there's a little coupon code here for me to spend at skinowl.com. Zen and Meow Mandala Crystal Grid. I got it right, yay! Supercharge your intentions by placing your favorite stones on this crystal grid that's laser etched with a sacred mandala. That has a $7 value. And that is at zenandmeow.com. Love and Light School Crystal Grid Oracle Deck. Open to messages, insights, and guidance from your crystal allies with these oracle cards featuring 48 crystal grids and themes. That has a $19 value, and that is at loveandlightschool.com, also on Instagram. Fine and raw chocolate lucuma and vanilla bar. You'll feel as though those? that a typo or am I just stupid? I think it might be a typo. So I'm just gonna read it the way I think it's supposed to be. You'll feel as though you're alchemizing into a crystal yourself when you taste this dark yet creamy vegan chocolate bar. That has a $5 value and you can find it on fineandraw.com. I wouldn't call it creamy, but it was still nice. But then again, I am used to eating chocolate that is full of terrible, awful things, so that could be why. And then finally there's a digital bonus. Ooh, Love and Light School Crystal Bath Recipes. And I have like a little sort of coupon code there for that. And it says, access bath enhancing recipes that use crystals, essential oils and aromatherapy to restore and rejuvenate your energy. That is very nice. So this was lovely. I really enjoyed this. I love the vibes of this box. It's all very nice, like natural pampering stuff is the kind of feeling I get from it, you know? It's all just like sort of like recharging, making yourself feel like a goddess. Yes, I like all of this a lot. I love what this box stands for and I'm very happy with it. My goodness, it is so rainy. There's a storm going on right now. So I have my own little link for you guys down below in the description if you want to check out goddessprovisions.com. I definitely would. I am really, really loving everything in this box. I'm excited to start getting more of these. As I say, I just love the vibes of it all. I'm very, very happy with it. I can't wait to have a little pamper with my little bath bomb and my little face roller and stuff. Let me know what you thought of this box. I definitely enjoyed it. Leave a comment in general. Let me know how you're doing, what you've been up to, how things been. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's see how high we can get that. Let's see how many thumbs up we can get on this video. I want to aim for like more than average. I think we can do it. Before you tootle on off, if you could check out my Patreon, I would love that. Oh so very much. Yes, I would, because that is how I live and survive and all of those things. Every now and again there is, I honestly like once a week, there is some misunderstanding. People think that I'm out here buying all these boxes and all these clothes and stuff. I am not. These things are provided to me by the companies. I'm not trying to hide that from you guys. I say it all the time. These things have been sent to me. So whenever you support me on Patreon, that is purely going towards bills and making videos and, you know, survival things. So don't you worry. That's all I'm using it for. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day or evening or whatever it is where you are. I hope it is nicer weather for you than it is for me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!